Bobby, I didn't know sharks can fly.
I didn't either, but we're gonna make one. Hey, dude, guys, this is the Avios Super Tucano, guys. Super scaled out. Got lights all the way around on the leading edge. Light right here. Very, very nice airplane, guys. Comes with the 5-blade prop. Got a super scaled out, pilot figure in there. Really nice, Doesn't look bad at all. Looks really good. Just a nice airplane. We've got retracts, functional struts. I mean, guys, this is a really nice looking bird. Come on down here and let's take a look at it. This thing's really cool. It's got functional flaps on there. And I mean, very, very smooth. Ailerons are very nice and smooth. Elevator. I mean, it's just a nice plane. We're gonna take the hatch. The hatch is well thought out. Got a little latch right here. You just push it back and then pull up. That's kind of different, right? And tons of room inside of here. And guess what we're rolling with? 6200 Turnigy heavy duty lipos. These things have been wonderful, absolutely wonderful. I've had no problems out of them. Really surprised how well they're doing because I'm an HRB guy and these things are doing as good, if not better, to be honest with you. And I'm not trying to sell you a product at all. I'm just telling you what's good is good. And it's been really nice. So that's a big pack for this. And we're gonna take it up and see how it does. Very well thought out airplane. It's super hot out here, and I'm telling you, it's like almost 100 degrees.
It's burning up out here.
Yeah, it's hot. So, but the airplane's holding up to it, and it's been doing really well. The lights look really good. We got flashing lights here, lights on the leading edge, light here on the side. I love that you don't have to put any of the decals on, right? So it's just out of the box. It's really nice. You do have to put each individual blade on the prop hub right here, and then you screw it on. But it's very easy to do. It's not hard at all. This airplane, like I said, functional struts, check it out. Like, it's just really nice. We're flying off of grass here, so it's gonna be super helpful, I hope. But I think we should take it up and get a maiden flight. What do you think?
Man, I wanna see that thing in the air, man.
It's really nice.
That's gonna look really good.
Well, I think without further ado, we should take it up. What do you think?
Let's go.
All right, here we go.
All right.
The wind just switched up on us. All right, guys, so we got it out here, and I say we take it off. We've got 5 minutes on the clock here. We got that 6200 Turnigy heavy-duty lipo in there, and I say we get it up. What do you think?
Let's go, man.
Man, that's such a good-looking bird. All right, up and away.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to the channel, guys.
Yeah, we need that. Rock that algorithm. Here we go. Nice and smooth. Rolling on the power. Wow. Dude, that's smooth, man. You're up. Definitely smooth. Coming around. Maiden flights, man. And check that trim there. Very nice. All right. Doesn't need anything. Man.
She's doing good. It looks like one of those birds that's gonna just fly on rails.
Yeah, and dude, this thing flies really nice. This thing is super smooth. Oh wow, this is 50% throttle right here too, so check that out. Coming around, really nice. Look how it just carves. Guys, this may be probably one of the nicest warbirds I've ever flown. I thought the Focke-Wulf was it, but dude, this thing is smooth.
That's good there.
Look at that. Look at that. It is just nice.
Just carving right on through on that 5-blade prop, man.
Yeah.
I wonder what it'll do with a 2-blade prop on it though, Bobby.
Oh, it would rip. It would absolutely rip. With a 5-blade prop, you're gonna get lots of thrust. But with that 2-blade,
you're gonna get a lot of speed.
Exactly. But while we're talking about speed, let's see what that full throttle's like. Ready?
Let's go.
Full throttle. Oh, I like that sound. That is
definitely
smooth.
Heard the change in it.
Yes. Coming back around.
And it was immediately too. That motor's got a lot of torque.
Full power. Oh yeah, I like this. Smooth rolls. Check that out. That's on low rates, guys.
Nice.
Just carving around. I'm still at full throttle. Let's see. Try to get with the tree so you can see some contrast there. It's got really good speed, guys. It's not terribly fast, and it doesn't need to be, but it is plenty quick. Very smooth. It's one of those, I just like coming down low down the line. Look how reckless I'm getting. That's how...
On the maiden.
Yeah. That's how well it makes you feel. So, man, that's really nice. Well, let's try the flaps out and see. So we're gonna go
Let's see how
half
they
flaps.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Very nice. Now I mixed in a little bit of elevator in there just to kind of compensate. So let's come around. We do have a wind coming from our right to left, so we got a nice little headwind. Let's see how it does. Half flaps. Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
See, when you get good like Bobby, you become a aerodynamicist. You know how to dial these things in before the flight.
Dude, that comes from a lot of crashing. A lot of crashing. And look, the airplane really just makes it easy. So now I dropped the full flaps, right? So full flaps, coming around, really smooth in the turns, not dropping any altitude, not dropping a wing. Really nice. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Punch out. Lots of power, guys. Plenty of power. People are like, but can it knife edge? Well, let's see. Absolutely it can. Absolutely it can knife edge.
It's doing it.
Well, there's only one more thing we need to check, man.
What's that?
Does it have the vertical it needs with that big old heavy 6200? You ready?
That 5-blade prop, I'm pretty sure it does.
Well, let's find out. Here we go. Full throttle. Going up. Vertical. Pulling, 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 pulling. Still pulling. Still pulling. Still pulling.
Almost there.
Still pulling.
Almost there.
Still pulling.
You're getting ready to hit that 400.
We hit it. And it's still pulling. We're backing out. Oh, yeah. She's good. Dude, look how high that sucker got that quick.
Did you just tail slide it?
Yeah. Dude, that's a thrust monster right there.
Yeah. I wouldn't get rid of the 5-blade prop at all.
No. Keep it the way it is, guys.
Yeah, keep it the way it is.
This
that
thing, for the price, is awesome. This may be my favorite warbird. And that's saying a lot, because I like Corsairs. I like P-47s. But this thing just flies so good. And what blows my mind is its foam, right? Like, I come from the balsa world, man. This thing flies just like a balsa plane. It's crazy. But it does weigh 9 pounds. So, we're going to drop those gear. Let's set up for a landing. We know it flies good, but how does it land? So, let's see. Coming in for a landing. Let's test those gear out. Comes in really nice attitude. Nice, man, nice. Wow.
A little springy,
dude,
but
yeah, that was a little springy, wasn't it?
It was a little springy, so but she came in. She still came in good.
You know what?
We're gonna redeem it.
We're gonna take it up again. There's no redeeming. That was great. Here we go.
We're just gonna go for butter.
Look at the power, guys. Look at the power of the punch out. Yeah, we're going for butter here.
We're going for butter.
Not that margarine, but we're looking for that real stuff.
That real style.
Here we go.
We don't do the parquet.
No parquet. Coming in. Full flaps. Kicking that rudder around.
Butter's all over the runway.
Look at that, dude. Look at that. Look. And it's nice to see the gear are functional and they're working. Dude, that was great.
Did you already make some toast?
I did.
Okay.
I did.
All right.
Hey.
I'm going to go out there and grab up some of that butter, okay?
Man. Is that not nice? Look at that. That's a really nice bird, man. Any way you look at it. All right. We got it down. So she's down. And we had that 6200 in there. We had it set for 5 minutes, so we actually went 5 minutes and 54 seconds. Let's check it and see what that 6200 is talking about, because I was in it. It's not hot at all. That's great.
I'm thinking it's probably somewhere just under 50%.
50%? All right.
Maybe like 49.
I was going to say, I'm thinking probably like 45%. 40, 45. You ready? 37%. There you go. Hey, look, I was in the power a ton on this one. You know, we really put it through its paces. We went vertical, a lot of high speed, and just grooving around. So, guys, this is a really nice bird put on by Avios, Super Tucano. Really nice flyer, very stable. You don't have to be stressed out when you fly this. It doesn't make you feel nervous or anything like that. It's just one of those planes that you can take out on a really nice day and fly. Remember, we did this without a gyro in there, so there's no AS3X, no safe, no nothing. That's just straight flying the airplane and showing you what it's capable of. So really nice rendition of the Super Tucano. I really like it. It's my favorite warbird now, and it's a really nice go-to. The size is great and easy to transport. Assembly's easy. You literally put this section on, you glue it together, and then everything else is pretty straightforward. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Awesome airplane, Avios Super Tucano. You're my best friend. So guys, also don't forget to check out RC Pilot Will's channel as well. He's got some awesome content coming out, and yeah, spread the love. There it is. Dude, that's awesome.